Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be doing something different. I have a page from one of my notebooks and this travel book from Recollections, and I'm going to be making a packing list for my trip. So join me on this. I'm going to have so much fun creating this with you guys. I don't know what I'm doing yet. All I know is that I need a packing list. That's all I know, truly. So, welcome. I hope you guys will have fun with me. Here we come. So, this book is full of travels, and it's kind of divided into like tropical, forest, and then Europe. So that's what I'm gonna do. I did pull out my Mojo Jojo, the, what is it called? Oh my gosh. Jewel tone collection. It's still very bright. It's just a little bit in different colors. So I'm picking like pinks and yellows and bright ones and a green as well. So I'm gonna pick a green, this bright green, and we're gonna make a packing list out of that. So I'm gonna have multiple sections, and we're gonna do front and back of this page for a packing list because I am a classic overpacker, over planner, overpacker, over everything, right? Yeah, that's what I am. Okay, anyway. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe, I was thinking of writing something in here, but as you will see very, very shortly, I will decide not to write because, well, frankly, I suck. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this, maybe a sticker on top of it. Yeah, this, sunrise vibes. That's what it's going to go on here because, yeah, that didn't go very well, but that's okay. I'm gonna use this beautiful suitcase. I am so excited. Yes, let's make a packing list together. So the suitcase, this roly-poly suitcase is gonna live right here. Drinks all around, so let's go ahead and add those. These are super shiny and clear, so just bear with me. But yes, they are here and they're fun and they're different. So I'm adding them along the line, okay? I'm gonna add them throughout the spread. They're gonna be great. I'm gonna add some other ones right here and flip-flops all the way around as well, because who doesn't want a little bit of flip-flops, right? Okay. Maybe not flip-flops. Maybe I can just add this big one, and then that'll be my like fourth category. You guys, I don't know how many categories you guys have when you pack, but oh my lord, what is wrong with me? Like, I want everything in its little separate compartment. So first and foremost, we're gonna do the basics. So clothes, then toiletries, so all of the beauty and not so beauty stuff that I need. And then we're gonna go ahead and do other plus electronics because yes, I live in this century. And then on the back I want to do a carry-on, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take two little boxes, put a carry-on on here, and it's gonna be my go-to. I always pack a change of clothes, a bathing suit, some flip-flops and stuff like that in my carry-on because God forbid they lose my suitcase and then I have nothing. That's probably one of my biggest fears on vacation. So hopefully this misfortune will avoid me because I am prepared. Murphy's Law, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and be over prepared. Like I said, suitcase cover up, one change of clothes, usually like something comfy like shorts and a shirt, and extra pair of shoes, of course, some private stuff, right? Like undergarments and stuff. So that's gonna go up there as well. My carry-on is usually pretty well stuffed with essentials. So there we go. I'm super excited. For those of you who travel a lot, let me know how you like to pack. What do you take? What not to take? What do you think is overrated? I am going on a beach vacation. I am a classic overpacker. I probably will have 12 dresses for 5 days, right? Or 7 days, whatever it is. So that's what I do. I don't know why, but that's who I am. And if you have a trick or a tip of how not to be that, let me know. I am all for it. Okay, I'm gonna move this umbrella up here. Super fun. I feel like we have a pink section. Look how fun these drinks are. Oh my gosh, coconuts. Also, fan of coconuts or not? I want to know because Alec, my boyfriend, obsessed. Me, I like it. Do I love it? It's okay. I can live without coconuts. I can't live without raspberries, however, so to each their own, right? Okay, carry on. Packing list. Here we go. I'm going to put all of the stuff that I'm bringing on. So underwear, socks, bras, PJs, dresses, shorts, hats, swimsuits, cover-ups, shoes, flip-flops. I don't know, those are shoes, but whatever. Yeah, let's do that. Jewelry, like for dinner and stuff. Dress shoes, because again, I don't count them as shoes somehow. I don't know what I'm thinking here, but I'm just making a list. Shirts, yeah, because if I have shorts, how am I going to do that? One sweater in case it gets cold, and of course, toothbrush and dental stuff, soap, deodorant, shampoo and conditioner, brush, hair tools, face cleanser, that would be good. Sunscreen, even better. Moisturizer, yes please. Shaving supplies, yes. Makeup removal, tweezers, bandages, of course I'm gonna do something to myself, of course. Mosquito repellent and medications for my makeup. Foundation, powder, mascara, lip gloss, lip color, bronzer, highlight, brushes, sponges, all of that stuff. So it'll be great. Cell phone, earbuds, Kindle, chargers, lots of chargers, iWatch, list of medications, copies of passports would be good too, right? And then in my carry-on, I'm gonna add more stuff. So second Kindle, headphones, I like the noise canceling ones for the plane, eye mask, tissues, lip balm, change of clothes, some snacks, in-flight meds, like my jewelry that is gold and silver, passport, notebook, pens, cash, credit cards, insurance, itinerary, maps, sunglasses, house keys, iPad, extra shoes, gum, one swimsuit. Yeah, I don't know what else. So I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you pack, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.